and today we are going to do experiment number 2 in which we are going to do beeping of buzzer. So we will go to file, new STM32 project. In this we are going to go to board selector. We will select Nucleo L476RG. Next, give project name as buzzer. So PA5 is for LED and PA7 for the buzzer. We will set GPIO output to PA7 pin. Now we will go to project and generate code. Code is being generated. Now we will do some changes in while loop. So these are the changes we have to make in while loop, where we have to use right pin function at pin number 5 for LED and right pin function at pin number 7 for buzzer, where 1 is for set, 0 is for reset. Now we will run the code. First we will save. As you can see here, both LED and buzzer are beeping according to the delay.